Wow! By the way, my name is Joel Galvan, and I'm a former OFW for 11 years. I work in Dubai as barista. I was making coffee. I work in Dubai because of my dreams. I was earning 1,200 dirhams, or equivalent of 15,000 pesos every month. I work in Dubai because of my dreams. Dreams for myself and dreams for my loved ones here in the Philippines. After 5 years working in Dubai, I realized that nothing is happening to me. And I start asking myself, what are the future waiting for me? In the Bible, there's a line, seek and you will find, knock and it will be open for you. I'm start asking myself, Lord, what are the future waiting for me? 2011, my father got an operation here in the Philippines. When my sister called me, she told me that I had to send money for my father's operation. To be honest with you, I have no money during the time. But I tell to myself, I cannot accept that my father will die because I'm already 5 years in Dubai. I'm already 5 years I didn't see him, and I have to do something for him. I tell to my sister, bring him in the hospital and I will send you money. But to be honest with you, I don't have even 1,000 pesos in my pocket. I tell to my sister, I will send you money. 2011, I end up a big credit in Dubai. Credit that I don't know how to pay it. 250,000 pesos. I pray to the Lord, Lord, give me an opportunity that I can make money aside from my day-to-day job. And the Lord answered my prayer. He gave me in global. At first, I'm so skeptic, I'm so negative with this business. Because the challenge for me, I have no experience. I have no confidence to do this kind of opportunity. But I believe in myself and I believe in my dreams. It took me 1 year before I decide to join M Global. I start the business January 10 of 2012 in Dubai. There's no office, there's no product during the time. It's not an easy journey for me. It was a difficult journey for me. 6 months doing the business, no one joined me. All my friends in Dubai, all of them rejected me. But it's okay. I still believe in my dreams and I still believe in the Lord. That I know one day I will become successful in this business. 1 year doing the business, not even making money. But it's okay. I still believe in myself and I still believe in my dreams. There was a time in Dubai, I sleep only 1 to 2 hours every day. There was a time in Dubai that even sleeping in the room without electricity. Imagine sleeping in the room without electricity because the Diwa cut our line. Dubai is a Middle East country. It was very, very hot. But I still believe in Him global. I still believe in the Lord. That I know, Lord, you have planned for me. Because it says in Jeremiah 29:11, this is for I know the plans I have for you. Plan to prosper you, to give you hope, and to give you a better future. There was a time in Dubai that even I have no money for my street station. I am still in Dubai that even we don't have money for the next day to buy a food. To be honest with you, I work hard in this business. There was a time that I'm almost giving up, but I still believe in myself. I still believe in the vision of Doc Ed. I still believe in the vision of the company that one day I will become successful in global. 3 years doing the business, full of heart, full of passion, hard work, and sacrifices. 3 years, I quit my job in Dubai and do this business full time. Right now, I'm enjoying time and financial freedom. Freedom that everyone are dreaming of. 3 years of sacrifices, living in Dubai without a job that everyone are dreaming of. Guys, today, I speak blessings to each and every one of you, sitting out there and listening to me. It doesn't matter what is your current situation right now. It doesn't matter what is your problem right now. Just believe in global. Just believe in your dreams. One day, you are the one standing there and telling your success story. Believe me, you are the one will stand there. And I believe that success story will inspire thousands of people's lives. Look at me right now. When I came to Dubai, I was not able to speak English. Who knows? I have a bigger God out there. I know He has planned for me. Today, guys, it's an overwhelm that I stand here and I inspire you. In 3 years in the business, I'm so blessed so much. Before I end, let me take this opportunity to say thank you to our board of directors, Dr. Connie, Doc Ed, Sir Francis Miguel, Sir John Asperin. Saying thank you is not enough. Thank you for having a global opportunity. You have changed thousands of people's lives, including me. To our training team, Sir Jordan and Sir Arnel Ben, thank you for the knowledge, learning that you imparted me. To all my leaders worldwide, BTA Thai Rockets International, you are all blessings to me. Especially, one of the biggest group I have, AIM Global Pakistan, headed by the chief upline, Amit Bate. I owe you big time, bro. To my upline, Roy Cueto. Upline, thank you so much for inviting us. To my upline in Dubai, Corpoe, upline Mark and Eric, Nelvin and Francis, thank you so much. And of course, lastly, to my wife. Yes, my wife. She's my wife. Why you look at me like that? Someone told me, Joel, your wife is so beautiful for you. Beautiful and too young. I told them it's okay. Ask me why. She's beautiful and also millionaire in global. We are much. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for the opportunity. God bless us all. God bless our company, AIM Global.
Yeah! Joel! Come on! We got an applause for Joel! Come on! Passionate!